I love how the environment is where everyone just celebrate.
The unity starts from the school. We'll have a better future, better generation.
I think this is what we want the students to experience.
Well, I would feel really joyful.
Harmony, peaceful, and joy.
Today, I was surrounded by my friends and teachers, and we didn't just study, we also celebrated other activities.
You feel like a sense of liveliness and happiness.
I love how the environment is where everyone just celebrate, laughing, smile on their face.
So I think peace would be able to be around my friends constantly and being to study without any struggles and confusion.
Be together with friends and to not be alone by yourself.
Where everyone is friendly and treat teachers, students equally. Everyone just happy all the time.
Seeing different people celebrating Deepavali together, it seems very happy, and they share different cultures each other as well.
I think I enjoy the most is the students is very willing to learn about new culture and new things that different from their own backgrounds.
United because a lot of race and cultures they join together to celebrate.
Really deepens our understanding, and then we get to know, okay, how can we be united together?
The unity starts from the school. It will have a better future, better generation.
I think it was when trying to put on the sari because I've never done it before, and I think it's a good experience.
I like the traditional clothing dress booth. Different race can try Indian culture.
It's fun to see my friends in traditional clothing that I've never seen before.
The more we get to know about each other's tradition, pros and cons and differences, specialties, that allows us to further be grateful of each other.
Rather than just watching performances, so probably this time they got their chance to do hands-on activities. They also managed to learn our traditional art, which is silembam. So I think this is what we want the students to experience.